you got this problem running wires across the floor to plug them in, it just looks bad. You're stepping over them all the time and whatever. Putting an outlet in the floor is really not that hard. Obviously, if you have carpet, it's going to be a lot harder. But as long as you have access underneath, basement, crawl space, and whatever, they're really not too difficult. So I measured off of this register in the basement and got it under the chair pretty much wherever I could, just because it's pretty crowded down there. But basically, just cut the hole. I shoved my wire up through there. Got a kit. This came in a kit with the box. I had to buy that Romex connector. It was like $1. But it comes with the outlet and the covers and everything. It was like $30 at Depot. So you just mount this to the floor and then hook up your outlet and your covers, and that's it. And hook it up to the nearest junction in the basement, which I found was only about 6-8 feet away. And that was it. So, yeah, brass cover, and it's got little round outlet covers that screw in there if you're not using it. It looks real nice, and yeah, pretty simple project. So hope that helps.